Hello children, myself Mrs. Aarti. Children, these many days, how many subjects you learnt? Yes, you all learnt only 6 subjects. English, Kannada, Hindi, Maths, EVS and IT. Children, today we are going to learn a new subject. Do you know its name, children? The new subject name is General Knowledge. General Knowledge. In short, we call it as GK. GK means General Knowledge. GK is the information collecting about the new things. General knowledge is the collecting information about the new subjects. Children, in this GK, we are discussing so many topics. In this class, we are discussing only 3 topics. Children, today we are going to discuss 3 topics. First one is the tallest and biggest. Second is wild animals. And the third topic is birds on the line. Children, today we are going to learn about tallest and biggest, wild animals as well as birds on the land. Children, before that, all of you take out your pencil as well as your eraser and take out your semester 1 book. Children, this is your Sunshine Class 1 semester 1 book. Take out this book, children, and all of you open page number 232. Children, open page number 232. And the first topic is tallest and biggest. First topic is tallest and biggest. Children, giraffe is the world's tallest animal. Have fun coloring it. Children, giraffe is the world's tallest animal. Giraffe. Children, giraffe is the world's tallest animal. Look at the picture here, children. What is this? Do you know? What is this, children? Yes, it's a giraffe. Look at the picture here, children. It's a giraffe. See its neck. How much long it is. It is the world's tallest animal. Children, now you all came to know the tallest animal is giraffe. It is the world's tallest animal. And the homework is for you is, children, you should color it. You should color this giraffe. You should color this giraffe. And it is the world's tallest animal. Next is blue whale is the world's largest animal. Children, B-L-U-E, blue, W-H-A-L-E, whale, blue whale is the world's largest animal. Children, which is the world's largest animal? Do you know? It is blue whale. Children, what is this? This is a blue whale. And it is the world's largest animal. Blue whale is the world's largest animal. Children, in your book you are seeing this picture now, children. What is this? It is a blue whale. Blue whale. Children, all of you take out your pencil. Take your pencil in your hand and start joining this dots. Start joining these dots like this, children. Join it, children. After joining, join it. After joining, what you will get, children? You will get a picture of blue whale. Like this, you will get a picture of blue whale. It is a blue whale. You should join all these dots. After joining all these dots, you will get a blue whale. And it is the world's largest animal. And children, what you should do here? You should color it. See the color? What is the color? It is blue color. And you should color it. What is the homework, children, for you today's? Giraffe and blue whale, both you should do color. Coloring is your homework part, children. This you should do. After the class, you should color it for both giraffe as well as blue whale. What is this, children? Blue whale. See here, children. You should rearrange the words here, children. You should rearrange the words. L-U-B-E. First, what will come? B-L-U-E. Blue. H-A-W-E-L. You should arrange the words. First, W, H, A, L, E. Blue whale. After rearranging the words, what we are getting? Blue whale. We are getting blue whale. Blue whale is the world's largest animal. This is about the first topic, children. Tallest animal is giraffe and the largest animal is blue whale. Tallest and largest. All of you came to know this, children. Which is the tallest animal? Giraffe. And which is the largest animal? Blue whale. This is about the tallest and largest. Children, and the next topic today we are studying is about wild animals. Wild animals. W-I-L-D. Wild. A-N-I-M-A-L-S. Wild animals. The second topic we are discussing about is wild animals. Children, how many types of animals you know? There are so many domestic animals, wild animals are there. So today we are discussing wild animals. Children, will you keep wild animals in your home? Yes or no? No. Wild animals, where they will live? Wild animals, they will live in a jungle, forest, they will live there. Domestic animals, we will keep in our home. So today we are discussing the wild animals. Children, now all of you take out your page number 233. Open this page, children. 233. Open page 233. And you see, children, second topic is wild animals. Wild animals. They have given, look at the picture of the wild animals and then tick the correct name. You should see the picture and you should do a right mark. What it is, what is the name of the wild animal? You should tick it, children. First, children, see here. What is this, children? Horse or zebra? Children, what it is? Horse or zebra? Do you know what it is? Are you recognizing this picture, children? Whether it is horse or zebra? Yes, it's a zebra. So what you should do? You should take your pencil and put a right for zebra. For zebra, you should put a right mark, children. This is zebra. See here, I am putting a right mark for zebra. Got it, children? See, you can see the toy of zebra, children. This is zebra. Z-E-B-R-A. Z for zebra. This is a toy of wild animal zebra. Next, what you are seeing, children? What is this? Next picture. Next picture is wolf or fox. What it is, children? It's a wolf or fox. Can you recognize it? Yes, it's a fox. So what you should do? You should put a right mark for fox. W-O-L-F, wolf or fox. F-O-X, fox. What is the picture showing here? It's a fox. So you should put a right mark for fox. F-O-X, fox. Next picture is, children, bear or panda. B-E-A-R, bear or dash panda. P-A-N-D-A, panda. Picture, what is the picture showing, children? Whether it is bear or panda? Are you getting, children, what it is? It's a bear. So you should put a right mark for bear. B-E-A-R, bear. So you should put a right mark for your bear, children. Next, what it is? I hope you all see this picture in your UKG classes now, children. Yes, in all the walls they have pasted this picture. What it is, children? How many legs it is having? 4 legs. What it is? It's a, what it is? It's a Elephant. ELEPHANT. Elephant or giraffe? What it is? Shall I tick for giraffe? No, it's a elephant. So you should tick for elephant. It's a elephant, children. ELEPHANT. Elephant. Next, children, what it is? It's a new kind of animal I seen, children. Have you ever seen this picture before? It's a hippopotamus or rhinoceros, children. Look at the picture carefully. What it is? Think it. What it is? Hippopotamus or rhinoceros? Yes, it's a rhinoceros, children. See, it's a rhinoceros. So you should take a mark for rhinoceros. 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 So I should tick here for rhinoceros. RHINOCEROS. It's a rhinoceros. And the last picture you see, children, what it is? It's a, do you know, children? Look at the picture, what it is? It's a bison or deer. Identify it, children. It's a deer. D-E-E-R. So you should tick here for deer. D-E-E-R. Deer. So you should put here tick for deer. Children, now you can identify the pictures and you will come to know the what its name, no, children. Wild animal name. Zebra you studied. Zebra, fox, deer, elephant, rhinoceros and deer. These are all wild animal names. By identifying the picture, you came to know the wild animal name. And children, in this part, what you will do the homework? Homework is, you should learn all the spellings, children. All these 6 animals spellings you should write in one book, children. So that you should come to know the spellings such as zebra, fox, deer, elephant, rhinoceros and deer. All these spellings writing is your homework part in this wild animals. This is about the wild animals. Children, next topic we are studying in this session is birds on the land. Birds on the land. Children, you have seen many kinds of birds near your home. I hope you all seen it. Isn't it, children? Yes, you all have seen birds. Which is your most favorite bird, children? Yes, you tell me that name of the bird when you come to the school. So, now let's study about the birds on the land. The birds which are living on the land. Birds are animals, children. Birds are also animals, but they are having what they are having? They are having feathers. And most of the birds can fly in the sky. Children, have you ever seen the birds are walking like you on the line? No, they will fly in the sky. And what they will do? They build nest and they lay eggs. Birds are animals, children. They are having feathers and they will fly in the sky and they lay nest and they build a nest. In that nest they will lay the eggs. So the third topic is about the birds on the land. Children, now turn on your page and you will see the page number 234. Page number 234. And here you should recognize the birds and complete its name. You should recognize the bird and you should complete its name, children. Shall we start now? Yes. Are of you ready, children? With me to write? Yes, I hope you all are ready. First picture, what it is, children? What kind of bird it is? Look at the picture here, children. What it is? P-G-N. What it is, children? Think over it. What it is? Yes, it's a, what it is? It's a pigeon. What shall I write here? I. What here? E. Next, O. After filling all these letters, what we come to know? It's a pigeon. P-I-G-E-O-N. Pigeon. See here, children. They are given B-G-N. What I should complete here? Missing letters, children. I should write here I. Here E. And here O. After filling the gaps, what will come? What we will get? Pigeon. 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 Got it, children? Yes. And what is the next picture here, children? What it is? Look at the picture carefully, children. E dash G dash E. E dash G dash E. What it is? Yes, it's a eagle. So what we will write here? E-A-G-L-E. Okay. We will write here E-A-G-L-E. E-A-G-L-E. Eagle. It's a eagle. And the third picture is what it is, children? Look at here. What is it? What it is, children? It's a dash dash L means owl. It's a owl. O-W-L. Owl. O-W-L. Owl. So I will write here O-W-L. O-W-L. It's a owl. Fourth picture, see, children, what it is? See. Sit carefully, children, and tell me the name. What it is? It's a crow. Dash R dash W means what you will fill here? Crow. Crow means C-R-O-W. Crow. C-R-O-W. You should pronounce it as crow, children, not crow. It's a crow. C-R-O-W. Now what shall I write on the board, children, here? It's C-R-O-W. It's a crow. Next, what it is, children? Next, you see? What is the picture, children? Look at this picture carefully. Yes, dash A dash dash O dash. What it is? It's a, what it is? It's a sparrow. Yes. P-A-R-R-O-W. It's a sparrow. Yes. P-A-R-R-O-W. Sparrow. So, I will write here P-A-R-R-W. Yes, yes, P-A-R-R-O-W. It's a sparrow. The last one you see, children, now. Last picture you see. What it is? Where it is sitting? Where it is sitting, children? It is sitting on the branch. It is sitting on the branch. And what is the name? Are you able to identify its name, children? It's a, what it is? It's a woodpecker. What it is? It's a woodpecker. W-O-O-D. Wood. P-E-C-K-E-R. After writing all the missing letters, what you will get? You will get a name of a bird. The bird name is woodpecker. I will complete its name, children. What should I write here? O. Here D. W-O-O-T. Foot. P-E-C-K-E-R. It's a woodpecker. So, children, how many birds you have learned today? You have learned 6 birds. Which are those? Pigeon, eagle, owl, crow, sparrow as well as woodpecker. So, children, what it is your homework in third topic is you should write all these names. by-hearted children. You should practice the spelling of all these birds. So children, today you will came to know about tallest and biggest. Which is the tallest? Giraffe is the tallest. Largest animal is the blue whale. And the next we have discussed is about the wild animals. And you all came to know about the wild animals. And third topic we have discussed about the birds. And you identified the birds and you write the and you all have written the names for it. I hope children you all might have enjoyed this session. In the next session we will discuss the another one new chapter. By that time children, thank you. Have a good day.